welcome to my course, How to Build a Portfolio. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey towards launching your very own portfolio. Here's an outline of what we'll cover in this course. By the end of this course, you'll have a portfolio site that you can continue to build as your endeavors grow and change. The best part is that you'll own your content. Unlike social media platforms that may change the rules tomorrow or go out of business, having your own online portfolio means you're in control. By choosing to build your website using the WordPress content management system, you're also opening yourself up to adding any features you like in the future. In Lesson 2, I'll explain why that's possible, and in Lesson 6, how to pick the right features to add. Now, before we move on to the next lesson, I have some homework for you. I want you to take a few minutes to answer these questions about your future portfolio. The first question is, how do I want to organize my portfolio items? Take stock of all the content you want displayed on your site. If you do photography, painting, and video work, do you want those organized by year, by client, by media type, or all of the above? By mapping out your portfolio items and structure, you'll be in a much better position to start building your site. The second question is, will I need a video storage solution? Video is one of those media types that is best hosted off your site for bandwidth and money-saving reasons. In Lesson 6, I'll talk about this in depth, but this is something you'll want to consider before you upload any content to your site. The third question is there anything I want to watermark for copyright purposes? Do you have Creative Commons licenses on your work or anything that has all rights reserved? Make sure that you know before you upload it whether or not you want to watermark any of that content. The last question you should think about is, how much money do I want to spend on this portfolio a year? You've already invested $50 in this course, so kudos for taking the first step in starting your portfolio right. And maybe you've already purchased a domain name and hosting, and really you're just itching to get started. There are ways to host a site for free on the internet, but none of them will give you the same freedom and flexibility as purchasing your own hosting. Plus, there's usually a trade-off to using free platforms. What's great about building your own portfolio is that you own your content. Whether or not you want to invest in design services like getting a custom logo made or want to choose a paid third-party plugin, more on that in Lesson 6, is totally up to you. But for those who want to start lean, there are plenty of ways to do that too. In summary, your homework before moving on to Lesson 2 is to answer these questions. How do I want to organize my portfolio items? Will I be showcasing video files? Do I need to watermark my content? And how much do I need to budget for my website? See you in the next video.